Just had to tighten up a little screw on my tripod. Just about dropped my camera and delayed everything. Okay, we need to move this. I don't know what I'm doing. I just got the email that my Paradise, oh, I gotta make sure the door's not locked. Lock myself out. My Paradise stuff is here. Don't mind the slippers. Do you have these? They're the best. Oh good, they sent it in a big package. Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. I had to change my shirt before I even press play or press record on the camera because, where is my scissors? Because I had frosting on my shirt. How are you? We have sunshine, which is wonderful. We've got a really nice week this week weather-wise. And let's see, it's Thursday. It's Thursday and it's April. John has tomorrow off, so we are going to have a 3-day weekend goofing off, but it's going to start with taking my car in for a stupid recall. Yesterday I kind of took a day off, sort of, and I sewed. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is my doll from when I got her when I was 3 or 4. I'm not exactly sure. And so she's like my first friend, and I made her this little romper. Get out of town. So cute. All she had before was this little Christmas dress I made her. So it was kind of nice to have something to put on her that wasn't Christmas. I also made a dress. Let me get it. One of you guys helped me find the pattern for these outfits. I had the same pattern and sewed them with my mom when I was in kindergarten. And I know it was kindergarten because I remember taking her to show and tell with a dress that I sewed. I wish I could get fabric like that again because I would sew an identical dress, but I haven't been able to find it yet. Anyway, the one I finished yesterday, this is the little diaper cover. Get out. And then check this dress out. Here's the dress. It is seriously the cutest thing in the world. Ah, so cute. It was a nice break yesterday doing that. I don't sew a ton. I've talked about it many times because I don't really love it. I'm not that great at it. Maybe it's the other way around. Maybe I'm not great at it because I don't love it, whatever. But the important thing is I don't do it a ton. I don't feel like I'm great at it. And I thought, well, you're never gonna get great at it if you don't practice. Take your own advice, Trish. Not something I enjoy doing, but that's okay. So it's Thursday, the mail got here, and then I got an email that said my Paradise Fibers packages were in the mailbox. Sometimes they send both packages in a big mailer, I guess you'd call these. I do like that better because I know that saves on postage, but also, before I show them, I usually black out my address, obviously, and I don't have to do that when they send it in the big package because it's on the big envelope and not the littler one. Ooh, look at that. Now, if you are new, you might be wondering why in the world does she have 2 of these? There are people who buy 2 and they do that so that they'll have more of the fiber right off the bat. I can't really afford to do that. I guess I could, but I'd have to give something else up because, you know, I'm a normal person. So what happens is, years ago, Paradise contacted me and said, hey, we'd like to send you one of those each month to open on your channel and show everybody. And I said, that would be great, but I continued to buy one so I could give one away to one of you every month. That means at the end of this video, I'll be giving away the package from March. There is a video of me unboxing it and a video of me spinning it. So I guess I will link those below so you can see. It's a cool one. We'll stick around to the end for the drawing, but if you'd like to win one of these, all you have to do is comment on a video starting with this one and going all the way till the next package shows up in my mail, or, you know, till I post the next unboxing video, unbagging video, whatever. I will pick a comment from one of those videos. Chat in the live doesn't count only because when I use random comment picker, it can't see the live chat, only the comments that are left afterwards. But I do use those videos if there are comments left afterwards, and there always are. Aside from this, I do not know what the theme is this month. I didn't see any spoilers. Usually I don't, but like once in a while someone posts on Instagram and I can't avoid it, and usually I have to unfollow that person because I live really far from Paradise and I live in the country, so my packages get here later than a lot of people's. Anyway, let's get you turned around and get one of these guys open so I can see what's in here. Oh, I almost forgot. I always say to myself, you've got to remember to do this. If you think you might want this package to spin, or if you want to sign up for Paradise's subscription, it helps my channel. If you sign up through it, there's an affiliate link. It does help my channel if you use the link to sign up or to order fiber or whatever through tools. People have gotten all kinds of stuff. Spinning wheels even. Okay, do I have a bunch of crap on my table now? Yes, of course I do. I'm still me. Okay, you ready? This is where they sealed it. I'm gonna go ahead and open on this end. Ooh, wow, okay. Let's see. We want the what's in your bag thing first. This is it. It says Metamorphosis. I promise to show what's on the other card this month. I forget like every other month. I always say you can't forget that, and then I do. It's like I'm telling my brain the wrong thing. Okay, ready? First, a hand-dyed braid of merino roving in one of 4 colorways: Gumtree, Patty, Fireweed, or Frankie. Let's see if we can't get this untied. And then we'll figure out which color I got. Okay, I got Frankie. So this is a very like Easter springish. Let's see, it's a nice merino. If I had to guess, I'd guess it was like a 23 micron, but I don't really know for sure. Let's see, I just want to make sure I get to show you. It really looks like when people dye with the Easter egg dyes a lot. Just nice springy colors. It says 4 ounces. Dancing Skies Fiber Arts was the dyer for this. And okay, what else is in here? A Beautifly vinyl sheep sticker. This is in my Notions bag. Oh my gosh, how pretty. I'm such a little kid and such a like Lisa Frank person that this makes me happy. But as you can see, there is a little Eunice, the sheep, in the center of the butterfly. So really, really cool. Looks like there are some buttons in here. Hang on, let me get them out. Oh, cute little buttons. Are these wooden or what are they? They look like wood. I'm not really exactly sure if they are or not. They each say handmade with love, so you could put them on a project so people know that it's a handmade project. And then 2 stitch markers. Oh, these are fun. They're each, hang on. They are each a different butterfly wing. I love them. I love them. And they're nice and light. And 1 Stash Tea sachet. Mine is raspberry. I love raspberry. You don't even know. Oh, pomegranate raspberry, even better. I promised I would say what was on this. Okay, so there's an explanation of the Metamorphosis fiber. Spinners transform fiber every day. So to me, that is one of the best parts of spinning, is like the magical transformation. I love the magic. Your fiber this month is a lovely merino, which has traveled all the way to Alaska to be dyed by Summer over at Dancing Skies Fiber Arts. Keep an eye out for more fun hand-dyed braids and new colorways over the coming months. And then there is a sort of like a suggestion of something you might want to do with it. There is a picture of a hat. It just describes how this was spun and then what pattern was used to knit the hat. Sometimes I open these and I feel like I immediately know what I want to do with it, but I don't know about this yet. I just need to think about it. It would make a nice fractal spin. Maybe I'll do a 3-ply fractal. Gotta think about it. It is sort of candy-ish, something that I would definitely be drawn to and pick out, so that's wonderful. But one of the best things about these packages is that sometimes I get things that I totally would not be drawn to or wouldn't pick out, and then when I spin them, I find out I actually love them to death. It's been a really great learning experience for me, spinning all the different fibers, all the different like colorways, just everything. A few weeks back, maybe a month ago, I did a about a month ago, I did a 2-episode kind of discussion about 8 different ways that you can spin something that is space dyed like this, where the color is, you know, in pieces or spaces. I actually learned some stuff doing that and really enjoyed it, so I'm thinking fractal probably. Thank you so much, Paradise. I love getting my surprise in the mail. It's so much fun. I love it. Every month I love it. And I feel extra great about this, like, and no guilt, because last month's is all spun. But it's time to go pick a winner for last month's package. So let's go do that. Okay, we're ready to pick a winner. Okay, what date was that? Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's more because I've been doing more shorts. 11, 12, 13. Okay, so first we need random number generator. Ready? 8. So that was in the videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's last week's video. We get a shareable link and then we go to random comment picker. You just gotta replies. I do not filter, do not do that. I don't exclude anyone. I do not add extras. So then we get comments and then start. Nicole Willis, you win. Congratulations. To claim your prize, all you have to do is send me an email with your snail mail address and I will get it shipped out to you pretty quickly. It's usually the next day or the day after. I will see you guys on Sunday for the live. Thanks. I love you. Bye.